Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm making kernel oil for my natural hair. This is how I prepare my kernel oil. This is your kernel. Yes, you have enough of it in order to have this oil. So the next thing you do is you heat it up in a pot, an old pot, because this thing could damage your new pot. So this is the pot I used. You see the oil is already extracted, first few minutes. Then you make use of a stick. Avoid anything plastic because it can melt your plastic. So this is me. This is the final product. My mom is helping me to put it into a container. So this is your kernel. This is the one that is already used. Yes. So apply my natural made kernel oil into my natural hair. This is the oil I've been using ever since I started using carrying natural hair. I've not changed and I'm not even regretting it. There's nothing to regret. Look at my hair now. Look at it. It's so soft. It has this baby look. It's so nice. Thank you all for watching. If you're just watching my channel for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. I'm so in love with my hair. Bye.